Hello, and welcome to a video on microservices. Today, we will explore the concept of microservices and discuss the various benefits they offer in software development. A microservice is a small, independent service that focuses on a specific functionality within a larger application. This approach stands in contrast to the traditional monolithic architecture, where all components of an application are tightly integrated. With microservices, we break down an application into smaller, more manageable services that can be developed, deployed, and scaled independently. One key advantage of microservices is improved scalability. Unlike monolithic applications, which require scaling the entire application, microservices allow you to scale specific components experiencing increased demand or load. This leads to more efficient resource utilization and better overall performance. Microservices also offer enhanced maintainability. Smaller, focused services are easier to understand, modify, and maintain, leading to faster development cycles and reduced downtime. This means updates and bug fixes can be deployed for a single service without affecting the entire application. The decoupled nature of microservices allows for greater flexibility in software development. Developers can choose the best technology, library, or database for each service, rather than being locked into a single technology stack. This can lead to increased efficiency and better use of available resources. Microservices also provide better fault isolation. If a single service fails, it is less likely to cause a complete system failure, as each service runs independently. This improved fault isolation enables more resilient applications, with issues being contained and resolved more quickly. Microservices facilitate continuous integration and deployment, as they can be tested and deployed independently. This enables more frequent updates, new features, and bug fixes, ultimately improving the overall agility of the development process. In conclusion, microservices offer numerous benefits for software development, including improved scalability, enhanced maintainability, greater flexibility, better fault isolation, and easier integration and deployment. By embracing microservices, you can build more robust, scalable, and adaptable applications that meet the ever-changing demands of today's digital landscape. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more content.